Rasheed Ahmed is an accomplished researcher with a strong focus on addressing global challenges related to maritime safety and security. With a deep understanding of the Pacific region's unique dynamics, Rasheed has conducted extensive research on the evolving threats and vulnerabilities in the maritime domain. Through his work, he has contributed valuable insights into the strategies and initiatives necessary for promoting a secure and stable Pacific. Rasheed's portfolio showcases his expertise in analyzing the complexities of maritime security, proposing effective solutions, and advocating for enhanced regional cooperation. His dedication to advancing knowledge and finding practical solutions makes him a valuable asset in any symposium or discussion centered around securing the Pacific and ensuring maritime safety. This symposium paper, Securing the Pacific, Addressing Challenges and Promoting Maritime Safety and Security, explore to investigate the challenges faced in securing the Pacific region, and to explore strategies for enhancing maritime safety and security. The research questions revolve around understanding the key challenges and identifying measures to address them effectively. The objectives are to provide policy-relevant insights, analyze the current state of maritime safety and security, and propose recommendations for promoting a safe and secure Pacific.